With over 6,000 COVID-19 cases in the country and thousands exposed daily, noted psychologist Dr. Wayne Thompson says he's deeply concerned about the level of what he says insensitivity and ruthlessness displayed by Bahamians toward the feeling of others affected by the deadly virus. Dr. Thompson says the virus may possibly be around for a while, so we must put differences aside and fight together.
As a result of this, many persons who have contracted COVID-19 are reluctant to share with those that are close to them because of the fear of being ostracized, because of the fear of being ridiculed. I say to those of you who have contracted COVID-19, you are still the same person that you were prior to COVID-19. And I wish to encourage each and every one of you not to allow the social stigma and not to allow the hurtful, unthoughtful innuendos and slurs damage the way you think and feel about yourself. But I do wish to encourage you to make sure that you become an ambassador for us to practice the right social distancing so that we as a society can beat this menace.
While encouraging Bahamians to show more compassion, Dr. Thompson says we must channel that energy by discouraging the non-wearing of masks around the city and below the nose in food stores that he believes may be contributing to a surge in COVID-19 cases.
We must recognize that this is not a time for us to be selfish, but this is a time for us to be selfless. When we choose to act in this manner, we then will come to the conclusion that it is a small sacrifice to wear a mask in public so that the process of minimizing this deadly virus can begin the process of bringing normalcy back to us. Also, those of you who have already contracted COVID-19 and you may be asymptomatic, you must recognize that it is disrespectful to be moving about in the community with no regard for others.